Hello everybody, welcome back to my training series. Today we are going to learn in Adobe Illustrator how to use the pencil tool and the width tool to create an Ganesha icon. Generally these two tools are used to create logos. So we are just going to learn how to use it. Now everybody who are using Illustrator will be knowing that this pencil tool allows us to create drawings using your pencil. Now this is a simple pencil tool. Now what we can do is we can use this tool for expanding that particular pencil width. So this is known as a width tool. If you draw with a simple pencil, then it will be something like this. I am using a physical pen and the X Pen tablet, drawing tablet. So this is a simple pencil, and when we want to expand it, we just use the width tool and we create a point and just click and expand it over here. So we are going to learn how to use this particular tool to create a Ganesha icon. So let's start. So we start with the pencil tool, and from that pencil tool we start drawing as a simple pencil. Now we use the expand tool. We just click and expand. Now we are going to draw Om. So we just draw it using our pencil. And we use the expand tool again. We just expand this particular portion, and same we do it with this. So you have expanded but that particular tool. Now we again use the pen tool, that is pencil. We select the pencil again, and then we further draw it. We again use the expand tool. Again the pencil. We use the expand tool again. So this side is done. Now we go inside over here from the opposite side, and we go and draw the second leg portion. Again we use the expand tool. Now for the ears, we just draw a structure like as G. Use the expand tool. And it is made. Now we come on the ears portion. Again we use the expand tool, and we expand it from here. Now we come on to the eyes portion. Zoom it a little bit. Take the pencil. Use the expand tool again. we expand it a little less than the other things we did because we need a thin eye. Complete the eye. We again use the pencil tool. Okay. This looks better. Use the expand tool. We draw the eyelids. We again take the pencil tool. Expand tool. Now we can learn something more over here. We just see that this particular point is not pointed over here. So using the expand tool, we can just reduce this also. So just click on expand tool and drag it in the reverse position. So when you shrink it, it will come to a point. So this is how you can do it. It is looking a little bit absurd, so we can just redraw it. Okay, this should work. One more thin line we need over here. So we can just and we use the expand tool. Just a little bit expansive. And we want to shrink it from the edge. We zoom it and then we use the expand tool again and we shrink it. So the eyes are done. We can again use the pencil tool. We need to create the ears second side. So we draw the ears. And we can use the expand tool over here and drag it. So this is done. We come to the upper portion. Expand tool, click and drag. Expand tool, click and drag. Same thing. Expand tool again, click and drag. Now the last top portion is left. So we just draw the top portion also. And we use the expand tool again and drag and drop. round circle is left, so we can just use a simple shape tool. We are using the shape around and we draw it. So this is how you create your you can just fill that circle. Teeth portion. So we come here again and we draw the small teeth portion. Again we drag and just say expand. This will be expanded. We need to draw teeth like structure. So come here and then you can use the expand tool. We can expand it from the edge over here. So we just expand it from the edge over here. We just check how it looks. You can fill the color in the eye. The eye portion, we can draw it using the pen tool also, the curvature pen tool. So this fills the eye. We can fill it using the fill tool. And we can draw a small shining circle inside it. Change the color to white. We need to expand it. We just select the shift tool and increase the size. So you can see that we saw the power of your pencil tool and the expand tool. So this is very easy tool to create your icons and logos. Most of the logos which are line art or drawing arts are being created using your pencil and your expand tool. We'll get back to you with more tutorials, so you can subscribe the channel and get more tutorials on IT subjects, design and information technology. Thank you for watching.